Well, g'day everybody, how are you? Well, as most of you are aware, Dennis Lovelady spent 8 or 9 days with me over here in Australia, which was a fantastic thing. And what that actually gave me an opportunity to do was muck around with the Mavic 3, which I haven't done before. And I found it a very different sort of drone to fly than the Mavic 2, that's for sure. Some of the camera settings and all that sort of thing are a little bit different to the Mavic 2, which you have to get used to, obviously, because I'm dealing with a 4/3 sensor and not the 1 inch. So what I did was take some footage there down at Mulgara Dam, which is a really nice spot. We had a really nice sunset that night, and the color grading I did with the log footage. So you got your full 10-bit color log footage there. A very simple sort of color grade that I did there. There's no LUTs or anything like that. I did introduce a little bit of a qualifying node there just in the sky a little bit, just to muck around with that a little bit, tiny bit. But apart from that, this is what you're getting off the camera, and really easy to push those colors around too. So enjoy that, and hopefully I'll see everybody in the next one. Ciao.
Different